Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends 80th anniversary na retro Deadpool action figure. Yan, ito yung card niya sa likod. Marvel 80 years, the Uncanny X-Men, Katana and another Katana, Deadpool shot, an illustration of Deadpool, very very nice. Tapos stig ng ginawa nila dito, it's the actual back of Deadpool, of the character, Deadpool himself, and the old school card design, very nice. And yung mga talk bubble na sinasabi niya dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Hasbro logo, barcode, the Uncanny X-Men logo, Marvel logo. Okay, so review na natin yung action figure. Shake test muna. Okay, wala namang loose na joints. Plastic quality, very nice. Hard plastic. Tapos dito sa mga parts na to, yung mga holster or mga pouches niya, medyo soft plastic siya para medyo flexible so you can move them around. Hindi nag-scuff with the other parts. Pag nag-rub off sila, hindi masyado madadamage yung hard plastic underneath. Okay? Tapos yung finish niya, mas may mga metallic finish. Katulad dito, metallic yung blue na ginamit nila dito. Dito naman, parang mas satin. Iba yung finish ng torso, tsaka dito. Mas glossy to compared to this area. May glossy din yung part na to, yung segment sa eyes. So, the color palette na ginamit nila dito ay metallic blue and red. So yung red nila medyo mas nasa hue ng primary red. So this one, glossy red, ito matte red. Okay, tapos yung plastic na ginamit nila for the sword, hindi siya metallic, it's very flat. Flat na white na plastic. Okay, tapos yung paint dito blue, katulad din dito sa sword sheath. In terms of build quality, it's very nice. Very sturdy plastic. And the design itself is very very cool. Deadpool as a character is very nice. Astig ng pagkakagawa sa kanya. And let's start with the head design. Usually yung head design dito merong naka-extend na cloth na para siyang tail sa head. Pero this time yung kanyang head armor or yung suit niya sa head wala. It's a very circular head from the front to the back. You can see the nose, the ears, the chin, and the jaw. Tapos meron ding mga stig na meron mga lines dito, parang mga veins. Galit talaga si Deadpool. It's angry face, okay? Angry expression. Meron siyang collar na dark metallic blue. Tapos ito yung holster niya. May mga holsters, straps. Yung buckles are silver pero yung straps niya red. I think pwede natin gawing leather brown to. Okay? Anyway, so red, pati yung belt, very nice execution dito sa logo, very sharp na na paint job. Tapos meron siyang so yung division ng color scheme niya from the shoulders, tapos merong segment dito na parang rectangular na diagonal papunta dito sa side ng kanyang body until dito sa legs. Okay, yun yung metallic blue. Ganun din sa other side. Tapos dito naman sa arms, hanggang dito lang yung metallic blue niya. Sa may bicep area. Meron din siyang bracelets or bracelet type of accessory. Tapos meron din siyang mga guns. So ito sa machine gun 1 and 2. Tapos meron siyang pistol. Yan, pistol. And meron din siyang rifle. Yung rifle is tignan design kasi meron siyang red and gunmetal na colorway. Tapos sa magkabilang hips meron siyang pouches. Sobrang daming pouches. Okay, natatanggal siya. So that's very nice. Kapag kinostomize natin daw, tatanggalin natin yung mga pouches. Okay, you can see the muscle definition dito sa chest, sa stomach, and sa legs. Ito yung templated body ni Marvel Legends. Also, you have the bracelet din dito sa kanyang ankles. Alright, for articulation, Head can move up. Okay, can move up, down, tilt. Can this tilt? Walang tilt. Look left, 360. Okay, nice. Butterfly joint. Okay, move. Can move out, backward. Okay, nice, cool. So can move up like that, that far. May rotation din yung arm. Okay, double jointed na. Yeah, I think, yeah. Pwede pa ba ito hindi na. Todo na yan. Double jointed na elbow. Tapos ball joint yung kamay. Can move in or out. And can move in or out. I think, articulated din tong bracelet niya. Can do the ab crunch. Okay, that far. Stretch. Can this stretch? O hinder nung itong belt. Yeah, you can stretch like that. Okay, tapos pwede rin ba i-twist? Yeah, pwede. Meron ding waist cut, 360, kick, that far. Pwede rin to ma-remove. And double jointed knee, tapos ball joint yung paa. Okay. Before I forget, meron pa pala siyang mga swords. Ayan, 1 and 2. Pwede nyo ipasok dun sa sword sheath. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, napakagandang Deadpool nito mga ma'am sir. Again, thank you very much pala, Just to Pop the Graph. Alam ko sa kanya ko nabili to. So Justin, thank you very much. So if you want to buy some Marvel Legends, McFarlane toys, punta lang kayo sa Just to Pop the Graph. Thank you very much. Okay, so ito yung post natin for the video. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.